presenting the Jeep 2013 Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: 18-inch x 7.5 inches satin carbon polished aluminum wheels, STD, max tow package included, 3.73 rear axle ratio class 2 receiver hitch 4-pin trailer tow wiring, 24 grams customer preferred order selection package included, 3.6L V6 engine 5-speed auto trans, 3.73 axle ratio, remote start, anti-spin rear differential, black interior cloth seat trim, connectivity group included, tire pressure monitoring display, Uconnect voice command with Bluetooth remote USB port, vehicle info center, and 3.6 LS MPI 24 VVV TV6 engine, STD. If you are